Under up and racing, Elusive Cat draws for your lead. Akire Onileba in principle comes next, moving up Tito Aru, Beautiful Boss, Double O second last, while Dimasalang is in behind them, heading towards the 800 meters pole. We have number 2, this one, Akire Onileba leading the field. Tito Aru in principle moving up in between runners alongside Elusive Cat, then followed by Beautiful Boss. Double O remains second last, and Dimasalang riding at the 600. It's in principle leading the field. Elusive Cat is already outside. Akire Onileba, Beautiful Boss, Dimasalang, Double O, and into the home stretch, it's in principle. Elusive Cat is already outside. Akire Onileba, Double O, and down the stretch they come. It's still in principle, this time by Amaral and Kerehap. Beautiful Boss to take second, and finally in principle, Beautiful Boss, Elusive Cat, Dimasalang, Double O, Akire Onileba, and Tito Aru.